Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to solve the coding problems, and I will start with one of the basic coding problem which we can encounter in any of the interview. So let's see what is the coding problem. Given a list of numbers and a number k, return whether any two numbers from the list add up to k. For example, if we have an array of numbers that is 10, 15, 3, 7 and k is 17, so we have to return two numbers which return the total sum of 17. So in this case 10 and 7. So there can be multiple ways by which this coding problem can be solved. One way is to traverse the array by from the starting and keep adding the number as we encounter the next items. So suppose if I start from 10 and add 10 and 15, since it is not the number, the sum is not equal to 17, I will go to next number, that is 3. Then I will add 10 and 3, since that is also not the sum that we are looking for, so we will move to 10 and 7. So since we got this answer in the first pass, so this can be a successful method if we got this result in first pass. But there may be a case then in which we may not find the sum in the first pass itself. Then we have to navigate through the array one by one, but in that case time complexity will be huge. So if we want to solve this problem in first pass, how we can do that? So let's see, this is my array 10, 15, 3 and 17, and the number and the sum which I am looking for is 17. So what I will do is I will create a hash set of the integer type which I will use to store the numbers. Which numbers I will store, I will let you know. So I will traverse the array one by one. So first I will start from 10. So I will have a temporary variable in which I will store the difference, that is difference of k and the element of the array. So that is 7. So we will check if the 7 is present in this hash set. So since it is not present, we will store the number 10 in the hash set and move to next element in the array. So I will take a difference of my k and the array element, current array element, that is 15. So we will check if 2 is present in the hash set. So since it is not present, we will move to next element and we will store the previous array element in the hash set. So here again we will compare, we will take the difference of our k and the current element, and the difference is 14. Since 14 is not present in the hash set, we will move to next array element, that is 7. So again I will take a difference of 17 and 7, and the difference is 10. So, and as you can see, the 10 is present in my hash set. It means the two numbers which adds up to the k are my current array element and the difference. So current array element is 7 and the difference returned was 10. So this is this Best optimized way to find the sum of two numbers which adds up to a k. So the key takeaway from this coding problem is how we can use a hash set to store the values and find the values from that hash set. So if you want to learn about hash set, there is a link provided in the description of this video which you can use to read about the hash sets. Now coming to the code part, this is the C# code where I am taking the two parameters for this particular method. One is an array, other is the sum which we are looking for. And here is an instance of hash set of type integer, and this is the I will traverse through the array one by one, through the elements of array one by one, and this is the temporary variable which gives me the difference, and this is the part of code which checks if that particular element is present in the hash set or not. If the element is found in the hash set, I will return the two elements using tuple. And this was the C# code. And coming to Java code, this is the Java code which is same, only some syntactical differences from C# code. So here I have hard coded the values which I have used as input to this particular algorithm. So I hope you liked the video, and you can share it with your friends, whoever is preparing for the interviews or whoever wants to learn the problem solving skills in software engineering. You can subscribe to my channel, and I will keep you posted with new problems in the upcoming videos. Thank you.